Because this is giving human hair vibes. Do you see it? Right? Isn't she giving human hair vibes? Hello, my name is Equay. I'm the creator and founder of SILKYCHICK, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on this TruWig i215. You guys, this wig is super cute. It is a part of TruWig's, what is this, the Kim's Sister lace front wig collection, and I want to send a special thank you to Waba's Hair and Beauty Supply for sending me this wig. You guys, you definitely want to check out this wig and some of the other wigs that I have reviewed. So the link to Waba as well as the other wigs that I've reviewed in TruWig, you want to check them out because this is giving human hair vibes, right? Isn't she giving human hair vibes? Look at that shine, okay? It's giving silk press bob. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this review, but I just need you to do me a favor. If you could go ahead and just give this video a thumbs up, this will let the platform know and the algorithm know that this is some good stuff that we are reviewing over here at SilkyCHIC. It will really help me out. I would appreciate it. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this Wig NBS i215 review. From styling TruWig NBS i215, so let's go ahead and get into it. So this is from their Kim Sisters collection, you guys, and this wig is super cute. She is definitely, like I said earlier, giving me human hair vibes. She is giving body yada yada, silk press, all the things. So let's go ahead and get into it. As far as her texture, she is definitely leaning more on the yakier side. There is some silkiness to it, but it's definitely a silk yaki, excuse me, first and then silky. She is falling, I would say, probably a good, from the front 12 inches. She has that A-line cut where she gets shorter in the back and then gets longer in the front and kind of cups your face. I am rocking her in the color 1B. She does come in some other colors, a 1, a 1B, a 430, a blonde, a ginger, a peach orange, a silver gray, a dusty rose. On the stock card, she's rocking her in like a burgundy red color that is very, very pretty. Now, she did have HD lace, and it says that the hairline is pre-plucked. I don't necessarily agree with that. I don't think that it was pre-plucked. However, the way this wig is styled, you don't really need to show the hairline unless you're going to pull this up. So for me, that wasn't a big deal. The density on this wig is on the lighter side. When I took this wig out of the box, it was kind of snug. Once I cut the lace off, it gave a little bit more, but if you have a bigger head, this one might be a little snug. Now, I do have my tape-in hair extensions in, and I was still able to get it on, but she is snug. So you just want to be aware of that. This one is not as big head friendly as some of the other units that I have tried from this TruWig collection. Now again, she is part of their Kim Sisters collection. The lace was HD, but I didn't have to tint it. As you've seen, I just went ahead and put it on and went in with my Fit Me powder. She does take heat. She had the ear-to-ear lace. I agree with that. Super deep part, which it does. I just put the, like I said earlier, some of the powder in to open it up, put a little mousse in it to brush her down. And then I know some people don't like when they have these little edges that hug your face. I don't mind it. I think it's cute, especially because this is more of a chin length bob. So if you don't like that, you can always cut them off. And really that was it. I put a little heat in her to help her lay a little bit flatter because, like I said, I do have thicker hair, and so to me it was kind of looking poofy. And if it is poofy in the crown, that's a telltale sign. And I don't want nobody to clock me, okay? I don't want you to be like, Equia, you got a wig on, girl? No, I want you to be like, Equia, your hair is cute. So yes, now these TruWigs all do come with tape still, so if you do want to glue it down, it does come with tape. I usually don't glue my units down unless I'm doing like a photo shoot or something. I'll just put on my wig grip. This one is tight, so I wouldn't even need to put a wig grip on. She is 15. I love that this wig is giving body and texture, even though it's very dense. There's not a lot of hair on this wig. It's a light density wig, but it's definitely giving a lot of body, and I like that. Look at all the movement. For it to be a synthetic wig, I feel like it's giving me human hair because of that. So really loving this one. It was easy to style. Even though the lace is HD, I didn't have to go in and tint it or anything like that. Just cut it off, put the Fit Me powder in the part, brushed it down, put a little Nairobi mousse in there, and that was it. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and the cons. For the pros, this is an easy throw on and go wig. She is on trend. Chin length bobs are on trend for the spring season. Like I said in my spring season video, if you haven't watched that yet, check that out. If you want to know what wigs and hairstyles and trends are going on for this season so you can look your best, go ahead and check that video out. The link will be down in the description. But yes, this one is on trend, so it's definitely on trend. This is a classic style. It's an easy style. You can wear it to work, you can wear it at home, you can wear it out when you're running your errands, your quick little Zoom calls, and she's quick and easy to install. Didn't take a lot of work. You can wear it out and add hair pieces, clips, you know, all those kind of things. So I love that. I love that it comes in a variety of styles. There was not a lot of shedding at all. There was no tangling. The lace wasn't an issue. So for me, all those are pros. For the cons, she is fitting a little snug, and I do feel like this style is not for everybody. I know some people really don't like chin length bob, especially if you have a longer face, but I do feel like you can rock this no matter what your face shape is. So I like it, but I know for some people the style could be a con. And really that was it. I don't have a lot of cons. This TruWig brand is so good. So again, thank you to Waba's Hair and Beauty Supply for sending me this one. Of course, the link is down in the description box if you'd like to check it out. And when I take this unit off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic bag that it came out of. I'm going to put it in my luxurious Silky sack. A Silky sack is a silk line bag that I invented to not only store your wigs, but to add longevity to them. The silk lining allows the hair to just glide, cutting down on the shedding, tangling, and matting that this wig would do if I was to place it back in there. So honey, I'm planning on rocking this for the spring because it's cute. And so if you want to get more out of your wig and want to see the fabulous hair that we sell now and all the other products, then check the description box. The link to the website is down there as well. And now it is time for our Silky Chick shout out. And the shout out goes to my girl Tia Maria. We have a podcast together, Wig Life Podcast, so the link to that's going to be down there. You guys check it out if you like wigs, you want to know more about wigs and hair and just all kinds of controversial and crazy subjects. You want to listen to the podcast. It's a lot of fun. We interview other wig slayers as well. And also Tia sells wigs, she reviews wigs, she's a wig coach, she is all around dynamic wig reviewer, so all her information is going to be down in the description box as well. So thank you so much, Tia, and if you would like a shout out, go ahead and leave me a comment whether you're watching here on YouTube or even over on Facebook. Hey my Facebook boos, you know that I love you guys over there too, so leave me a comment, let me know what you are thinking of this unit. Would you rock it? And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Because we're coming to you every Monday and Friday with a good time in these lovely wigs. So thank you so much for watching. As always, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.